Hi, thank you for 500 subscribers. After 500 more, we'll be appreciated that you did so.
Thank you very much. So today is Friday and I'm starting my vlog in the evening.
Well, exactly. If you're in another place, it might in India, Chennai, it might be night actually.
Yeah, it's night actually, and today it was very hectic day. We had pest control in our house, and then afterwards it was so hectic. So I'm just introducing the introducing part is what I am doing now. But I have taken the video from the morning, so I'll be showing you that thing section. So basically, we don't cook food.
Yeah, that's why it's called today's called hectic, because I had to write so much. My homework is so much.
Yes, see.
I have 7. You can't see it clearly since it's on.
Yeah, he has exams next month, so he's doing his revision. And evening, I told him to do the revision. He didn't do, so now he is doing it. He's completing his worksheets and practicing for the exam, so that next week he will be very well prepared for the exam. So he's doing his exam now. Actually, his preparation for the exam. Okay, so actually I don't cook non-vegetarian on Friday. So today we had pest control, but the recipe what I'm showing here.
Yeah, this is Sharu speaking. That's why, because we are not eating non-veg, because we ordered pizza.
Yeah, today we are not
and,
eating.
And it's veg pizza because it's Friday. That's why.
Correct. Today we felt like we need to have something from outside because it's like long time, right?
Well,
other day I prepared pizza at home. It was.
Yeah, watch that video so that we can get to know. You can go and watch that video so that you can get your homemade pizza.
Correct. I prepared homemade pizza other day. It is very easy, but today I was really very tired. Because of pest control. After pest control, after 2 hours, we have to clean the house. I meant to say, cleaning. My house helper had helped me, but the other things like because of pest control, I have to look into the people once they enter. If anyone comes inside the house, it's our duty to clean, right? So it was a little hectic day for me. That's the reason. It was I'm showing that. So I'll show you a little bit, a glimpse of how the pest controlling is being done. Basically I am doing pest controlling from past many years, like more than 3 years it's now. So now I don't need to take the things away out when I do the pest controlling. I just have to show them the where and all they have to do, and if I tell them, okay, this is the place which where I get much of the insects or spiders, so they will concentrate on that area as well. So just go to the pest control website and then you can check the recipe. It's like 3-in-1 meal where if your guests are coming and if they seafood lover, you can try it. And go. So these are the pest controls per people who have come for our community, and they are coming for the house also. They charge 2,500 per year, so 3 times they'll come and do it. So the cupboards, they are going to put the gel, and they will be spraying for certain areas. So these are the things what they have done to my house. Since I have maintained the house very nicely from past 3 years, I don't have to remove the things outside. Initially when I came in, I have removed the things, and they have just put this in pesticides and the chemical inside. So now, and even my interiors have done that before they do the interiors. So after that, see, they are doing it very neatly, and we have to sign it, thank you. So this is nothing called as boiled rice or red rice. So boiled rice, it is called in coastal part of Karnataka, that is Mangalore, Udupi, and in Tamil Nadu we call it as red rice. But basically this is our staple food. I mean to say, from my ancestors, everyone used to have this. This is called as kajera ari. So it's very healthy, and it is unpolished rice. We have to wash it. So washing once or twice or thrice you have to wash, so that the color will be clear, the water color will be clear. So the cooking, I just wanted to show the cooking procedure of this one, because this is a healthy rice. We go with the brown rice. Equally nutritious is this rice, and it's very healthy, as well as it is unpolished. So the way of cooking is also very easy. It's not like similar to the white rice or the other rice what we cook. We have to wash it for twice or thrice until the water is clear. So my rice which I had bought is actually cooks very well in one vessel. But maybe when we go to some other parts of Karnataka where they get a boiled rice, it actually needs 3 to 4 or 5 whistles to cook. So that's when the people there, what they do is they will soak. So usually it's like the people who are from Dakshin Kannada, Udupi, those are the people who will have it. Basically, I am from a Bunt family. You will be knowing a well-known Bunt family. We actually are having here. See, I just cleaned it and poured the water. The water should be like for more. And one whistle, that's all. I'm offing it, that's all. And I have to keep it for some time. And then see, this is the setup what I have done. See, this is the setup. On this I have poured that, and all the ganji, what we call teli, is settled down. So this is salmon fish. So I am going to mix the salmon fish and keep in the refrigerator. So this is ginger garlic paste what I'm using it. So this procedure you can try for any fish, whatever you're preparing. You can try this method for prawns also and fry. So ginger garlic paste, and then this is the sambar powder or the curry powder which I have prepared, and the link if you want I'll share in the description. This is the multi-purpose powder, as I mentioned initially, I'm using here. And then I have not added turmeric for that, because turmeric adding is not good. You have to go with the full turmeric and powder it. That's why I'm using powdered turmeric now. At last, chili powder, and the main ingredient here is tamarind. Tamarind syrup is very necessary. So I am just making these things ready, and the salt, and we have to mix it. So I keep these things ready because ginger garlic paste I'll make it every 2 weeks once, and the tamarind syrup also I'll make it and keep it ready. Sambar powder once in 2 or 3 months I'll prepare. So it is very easy for me. And then I'm going to add salmon fish. It is really very tasty, and salmon pieces are not like the other fishes. It's little costly when compared to the other fishes, and as well as very delicate. So they're in a gentle hand you have to mix it, not like in the harsh hands. If you mix it in the gentle hand, it will be very good, or else it will be pieces because it's very delicate. So this is how you have to mix it and keep it. You can keep it in the refrigerator. Finally, I'm adding the rice powder. Why? Because I do rava fry. Rava fry is nothing but I'm going to coat the mixture of salmon pieces with a little rice powder and rava and fry. And now I don't want rava fry, I want masala fry. That's the reason I'm adding rice powder into it. See, here it is ready, and I'm keeping in the fridge.